Hello Disney family and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a tips and tricks video. I have not done one of these in, gosh, it's been way too long, and I was like, you know what? I've got more money saving tips for you. So here we go. Let's not wait any longer. You guys have waited long enough for a tips and tricks video. Let's do some more money saving tips at Walt Disney World. Number 1. Buy souvenirs before you go. Now, I know this seems counterproductive because you're like, wait a minute, I'm going to Disney World to buy these souvenirs. Well, you can buy things like plush Disney characters and character sets and so many different things that you can buy just on Amazon, or even if you want to stay true to Disney, you can do it on the Disney website, and you can usually get it for a lot cheaper, especially if you wait for a sale. Now, if you don't want to go that far and you want to save those plush toys and characters and stuff for the parks, that's okay, but do buy those light up necklaces or light up bracelets or those light twirly toys. You can get that stuff for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and it'll save you a ton of money, especially because those light up toys are very popular at night. We did this with my daughter. We did this for the Christmas party, and I saved a ton of money by doing that. Now, you guys know I love staying on property. I think you shouldn't stay anywhere but on property because it really does save you a lot of money. But if you're trying to save money while staying on property, opt for a value resort or a deluxe resort, or opt for a standard room over a preferred room. These types of things are lower price, but you're still getting the same Disney value. Because the rooms are tiered, if you stay in a standard room, you're going to pay less money than you would pay for a preferred room or one of those specialty rooms like at Caribbean Beach where they've got the pirate rooms, or if you stay at Port Orleans, they've got those Tiana themed rooms. If you just stay with a standard room, you're still gonna get that same great Disney value and price, but you're gonna pay less money for it. Pick a day to do some resort hopping. You do not need to be staying at the resort to go there. The great thing about this is you can still include some character dining. There are tons of resorts with character dining. If you go to Contemporary, you can dine at Chef Mickey's. If you go to Polynesian, you can dine at Ohana. If you go to the Grand Floridian, you can dine at 1900 Park Fair. All of those are character dinings. You're still gonna have that great character interaction, the pictures, you're still gonna eat. Your child's not even gonna know that you aren't in the park because you're gonna have all of these great experiences. Do the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique at the Disney Springs area. That way you're breaking up 2 different experiences on 2 different days. So your daughter or child will be able to experience the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique on the Disney Springs day, and they'll have that princess experience. And then you're also gonna have the Magic Kingdom day where it's a whole different experience. It breaks up that spending of money, but they're still getting both of those great experiences. Time is money, and I cannot reiterate this more. Figure out the best utilization of your time to get the most out of your trip. Make decisions early on about what you're going for. If you're going for the parks, stay at a value resort. You're not planning to spend time in your room anyway. But if you're planning to spend a lot of time at your hotel, spend the money on the hotel as opposed to the theme park tickets. Think about the kind of vacation that you want. Now, I said this in my last video, but I kind of wanted to reiterate it. It's plan in advance. Book dining and fast passes as soon as they're available. That way you can really get those dining experiences that you want, and you can pick and choose what you guys are going for, as well as those fast passes. That kind of stuff is really gonna make or break your trip. And also, if you're planning to meet Mickey at a character meal, then don't get a fast pass to meet Mickey again because you're already doing that experience there. Bring an easy stroller to travel with. I've talked about my favorite one. It's the Mountaineer Buggy. It's really compact and easy to move around throughout the entire Walt Disney World property. And those stroller rentals can get really expensive, so you can save money by having a good stroller and bringing it with you. Also, something to know is you don't have to break your stroller down on the boat or a monorail. I get a lot of questions on how to save money on park tickets. Here's the thing about park tickets, and the thing about Disney, is you will never get an experience as great as you will at Walt Disney World, as long as you take the advice from people who go a lot. These are people who have troubleshooted through everything that they needed to. They really have the best tips and tricks. And I've said this before, but use a travel agent because that is the person who's gonna be your go-to. They're gonna be able to answer all your questions. And if they don't know the answer off the top of their head, they'll find out the answer for you. But going back to saving money on park tickets, The more days you spend at the park, the more money you will save. They also run deals where you can save money on park tickets. I haven't seen this in a while. The one deal just came up where if you buy 5 days, you get the 6th day free. And that is how you are gonna save money. Do not buy through a third-party dealer because it usually has some sort of trick or catch or timeshare or something along those lines, when really, if you're spending your money on a Disney vacation, spend your money on a Disney vacation. That is how you are going to get the most out of your money and you're going to get the best experience. What are your money saving tips and tricks? I know this is my second video. I have covered a bunch in my first video, but if you know some more, please leave them in the comments below. We are all here to help each other because we are all family. And if you've not joined my Disney family, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you real soon. Bye guys.